Hi everyone. Thank you for watching video tutorial of StructPro. In today's tutorial, we will demonstrate how to utilize display commands. To use the display commands, ensure that ETABS, AutoCAD, and Excel StructPro are all open simultaneously. First, click the Program ID button to connect StructPro with ETABS. The display command panel can be opened by clicking the display button from the StructPro menu. The display commands include a set of tools that allow users to plot data results from the Excel data table created by StructPro directly into AutoCAD. This enables efficient visualization of calculation results. The display commands are divided into two groups. The first group establishes the connection with AutoCAD and defines the display parameters. The second group contains the execution commands that plot results for each type of structural element. StructPro plots the results based on the following elements in ETABS. The general rules for the display commands in StructPro are presented in the following slide. In the data table, each row represents data for a specific structural element. The display commands allow users to transfer this data to AutoCAD, precisely positioning it at the corresponding location of the structural element. The row data in the table is converted into a matrix format in AutoCAD, with predefined columns and rows. There is a setting option that allows users to customize the data presentation format to suit their preferences. Now let us demonstrate the display commands through a few examples. In the first example, we will plotting data results for beam. Now let's move the AutoCAD and Excel windows side by side. Before start the commands into ETABS, you need to define the origin point. First, draw a circle in AutoCAD. We will use this circle as the origin point later. Next, click the Set Origin Point button from the command panel. Once the Set Origin Point window is open, you need to define the scale difference between the units used in ETABS and AutoCAD. For example, if ETABS uses the meter unit and AutoCAD uses the millimeter unit, the scale would be 1000. Next, click to the Give button. After that, switch to the AutoCAD window. You will notice that the mouse cursor has changed to a selection symbol in AutoCAD. Then, click the mouse cursor to select the origin circle. Once the selection complete, the coordinate will be updated in the Set Origin Point window. Finally, click Update to complete the define. Next, let's export the base model for the result. Switch to a ETABS window, select the part of the model you want to export, and click Plot Base Model button. This button can be used to export any element from ETABS to AutoCAD. Now, return to Excel, where we have prepared a sample beam data table for this example, as shown. The table is organized as follows. The first column displays the unique name for each beam, and the adjacent columns provide additional data related to each beam, with each row representing a single beam's data. Let's export the beam data from columns X1 to X6. First, click the Set Parameter button and select the range of the entire index row, including the beam name and index name of the data that you want to export. The data consists of 6 values. We will arrange these values into a 2x3 layout, with 2 rows and 3 columns. To customize the layout, click the Display Settings button and adjust the column and row numbers as needed. Additionally, you can fine-tune the spacing between rows and columns in the table to achieve your desired format. Then hit OK to confirm the display setting. Next, select all the beam data and click the Plot Beam Results button to initiate the export process, which will transfer the results to AutoCAD. In the second example, we will exporting data results for column. First, establish the origin point and base model, following the same steps as in the previous example. Switch to the column data and click the Set Parameter button and select the range of the entire index row, including the column name and index name of the data that you want to export. The data consists of 3 values. We will arrange these values into a 3x1 layout with 3 rows and 1 columns. Similar to Beam, to customize the layout, click the Display Settings button and adjust the column and row numbers as needed. Next, select all the column data and click the Plot Column Results button to initiate the export process, which will transfer the results to AutoCAD. In the third example, we will exporting data results for point. The steps are similar from the previous examples. Select all the point data and click the Plot Point Results button to initiate the export process. In the final example, we will exporting data results for wall. The steps are also similar from the previous examples. Select all the wall data and click the Plot Wall Results button to initiate the export process. This concludes today's tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe this channel to watch more video tutorials of our software in the future. Thank you for watching.